In this section, we're going to learn about C#. Before getting into Unity, understanding the basics of C# will put us in a good position to create games. It's vital that we're all on the same page. First things first, let's talk about the idea of a programming language. We need a way to communicate with our machines. This is where a programming language comes into play. A programming language will allow us to give instructions to our machines. We can instruct our machine to send an email, watch a video, or make a character jump on the screen. There are various languages available. It can be difficult to decide which language to use. Choosing a language will depend on what you're trying to accomplish. Some languages specialize in specific areas. Other languages are versatile. C# is an example of a general-purpose language. Mobile and desktop applications can be developed with C#. Creating servers is another popular reason to use C#. It's one of the most popular languages around. It ranks 5th in popularity due to its versatility. Another plus is that it's developed and designed by Microsoft. They're constantly updating and supporting C#. But why should we choose C#? Our choices are limited. In fact, it's our only choice. In the past, 3 languages were supported by Unity. However, the development team for Unity has decided to focus their efforts on C#. Most resources assume we're using C#. If we want to learn Unity, we need to learn C#. That isn't to say there aren't benefits to learning C#. By learning C#, you can explore other options. If game development isn't your cup of tea, you'll be able to transfer to a different sector in the tech industry. Lastly, C# is easy for beginners. There are hundreds of resources available, including documentation. If you don't have any experience with programming, that's perfectly fine. I've designed this course with the beginner in mind. Everything will be explained as we progress through this course. So, where do we start? We'll start by learning the syntax and fundamentals. In the real world, languages have rules on how they're written and spoken. Similarly, programming languages also have rules on how they're written. The technical term for the rules of a language is called syntax. Communicating with a machine requires learning the rules of the syntax. For most of this section, we're going to step away from Unity. After becoming comfortable with the fundamental concepts of C#, we'll get back into Unity for game development. Otherwise, learning as we go may be difficult. If you're ready, I'll see you in the next lecture.